If you want to update your Wi-Fi driver on a Windows 11 PC or a laptop, there are several easy methods you can try. First, right-click the Start button and open Settings. Go to Windows Update, then click Advanced Options. Scroll down and select Optional Updates. If a Wi-Fi driver update is available, check the box next to it and click Download and Install. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. If no optional driver updates are available, use Device Manager instead. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters category, then locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click it and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will search online for the latest compatible driver and install it if one is available. If Windows can't find a newer driver, you can manually install the latest version. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter again and select Properties, then open the Driver tab to view the adapter's name and model. Visit your laptop or Wi-Fi adapter manufacturer's official website, search for your exact model, and download the latest Windows 11 Wi-Fi driver. Install the driver, then restart your computer to complete the update. That's all there is to it. Updating your Wi-Fi driver can improve connection stability, fix network issues, and ensure your wireless adapter performs at its best. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.